Hi guys, welcome to another video. I haven't posted in a while, but now I'm back, and I will be showing you guys a tutorial on how to solve the windmill cube. Okay, so basically, guys, to know how to solve this cube, it's actually pretty simple. It's like the 3x3. And I recommend you to know how to solve the 3x3 before learning how to solve this one. So when you look at the cube, you may see, and there's no 3 layers, so it can't be a 3x3. But this one's a shape shifting, and you see over here these 3 layers. These are very important because then you could see the 3 layers that you're gonna have. So you see these 3? They're all leading to a column, a row, over here. It's here, it's over here, here, here. And those are the 3 sides, or the 3 rows. You just use those, and the same for these, and these, and these. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up, and let's get in. Okay, so now guys, as you can see, it's messed up. Let's just give it a few more turns. Yeah, I could say this is good. Okay, first we need to do the white layer. So over here, and we need these parts over here, the same, like this. They're not shape shifted. They're just the same row, but they also need to be the same color. So we could look over here like this. So basically this is the first thing you need to know. So over here, these are not the same shift, but they have to be like this shift over here. So what you need to do is turn this 180 degrees, and then turn this over here. And now you could basically just shift it until you could see. You place it back, and now we got this. But it may be like this, and then you go like this. It's wrong, so you do it again. It's wrong, you do it again. Wrong, you do it again. Right, and then you turn it back 180 degrees, and then you have this part solved, and this also. So same with this, we'll turn it 180 degrees. I'll turn it to the left, down left. And then we'll keep switching, swapping them. And then we got them, pull the pair up, and we have it. And we didn't mess up this part. So let's continue. Now one may be on the back over here, this white and orange on the back. So you basically just kind of move the back layer until you have the orange pair with an orange edge. So we have this. We can basically move it up. But then it has the same thing what happened to these two. So you just do the same thing. Place here, this, here, turn it back up, and then we got this over here. And let's see this one. Okay. If you have your cube and it's like this, then you just turn it like over here, turn it down, turn it to the side, turn it back up. Then when you do that, that may have this solved, or may have it messed up like this. And then once you solve it back, what these layers might be mixed up. I mean, edges might be mixed up, but for me it's not. If they're mixed up, you just continue doing the process that I showed you. And so let's just do the process again. And then, thing's hard to move. And then we have it here, turn it 180 degrees. And there we have it, guys. We solved the white cross, and we have these it just appears there. So now we have to flip it on the bottom, and we could solve the white side. So it's basically like the 3x3. You see a white corner with an orange, then we need to find an orange side where we put it, and we could put it over here because it's next to an orange, right? But actually, that's wrong. Because when you could see, if we put it over here, it's not connected. This is a blue side over here. Because you could probably tell the difference between a blue side and orange and blue side. And then you could just change that back. And then you just place it over here. And yeah. But this is a faster way. When it's like this, only when it's like this, the white is like this. You could just turn it to the left, do it up, and here, bring it down. That's basically the reverse of the up, left, down, right. Okay, now we could just basically sort them out. Find this blue. Let's go with the blue. So we put next here, and then we do some moves, and then we have it there. Sometimes when you're moving the cube, it may get messy, so you have to line it up, like so. You have to test it out. Sometimes you see this is not lined up, so you may have to go like this, so then you can move clearly. And this is over here. We could put it over here. You could either do the reverse of the up, left, down, right, or the up, left, down, right. Here, it's quicker if we do the reverse. So, we do it, we place there, place back, and there. You could do this, up, left, down, right. And there we have it, guys. Second step done. So now, in the 3x3, we now have to solve the second layer. And over here is the same. So basically, we already got these solved. That's very lucky. And we need to place this piece over here. When I say piece, it means these pieces that are facing up, it may be facing up. Yeah, facing up. And then we could just do it like this. Side to left. Here, over here, because it's a layer. Up, left, down, right. And then move back to here and do this move here. And it may be inverted. That means when it's inverted, you could just do it again, just placing a different thing here. And then you come. And when you're inverted, this piece over here, which... Oh yeah, and I forgot, it may be like this. And not only up, but maybe like this. And now back there. When we did the 4 moves and we did it and it inverted, then it's over here like this. And when it's like this, and we do it again, we do the left. Let me line it up. Let me line it up. Intermission. Okay, and then basically are doing it again, but do it, and then over here, like it's supposed to be. Instead of being next to the red, where it came out after this, after we did the 4 moves and it was inverted, or when you uninverted it, it came out like this next to the red. We have to place it next to the blue, and then do the moves. There you have it. We could continue this process. Place here. Yeah, that seems fair enough. This. And there we have it, guys. We solved the second layer. Now we need to solve the yellow cross. So let's leave it with the first thing that you might have. If you have a yellow dot, you could do this. Just a yellow dot, no yellow connected or anything. You could just do this pattern from anywhere, or this algorithm from anywhere. But if you have an L like this, an L, place it to this corner up here. You may have it over here, but all you need to do is just turn it until it's over here. Top left over here. And after we have that, you have to do these moves that I'm going to show you, and it'll turn into a line. After, we need to place the line like this, not like this, not like this, like this. So then we can do the moves. And the moves, they go like, so they go like, you do this, follow along, the up, left, down, right. We invert that. And now we have it, the yellow layer. Now let's move on to the step where you have to align this. So this is aligned, this is good. It's not aligned. Not same. When I mean aligned, it's the same color. So these are the same color. Not aligned, not aligned. And then we try to align more to see if we have more lines. But it's always, these two are aligned. This one and this one are aligned, but this one and this one are always not aligned. So if we place like this one and this one are aligned, this one and this one are not aligned. So you do this. You do, so you do it like this. Over here, grab it from this layer over here, and you do up, and then we can do two times. So we do it from here, and grab it from this layer, and we do it up, and then we do down, and then we do another here, and then we place it back until the yellow pair is back, and we place it down. Then we have these layers solved. Over here, pairs solved, and these are not solved. So basically, now we have pairs that are solved, but are not solved over here, these two. That's good, that's not bad. So now we need to just align the pairs to see how much pairs we can do. If we do two pairs next to each other like this, then that's good. Let's just line this over here. Oh yeah, this pair's aligned, this pair's aligned. So after you've done this, you have to place the pair, align the back and one on the right, and you do the same moves, which were from this because it's over here. And now we have all the pairs lined. Now we need to have these parts lined over here. The same color. So these are matching. But when you're matching, it doesn't have to be in place over here. It could just be like let's say blue is over here and it's a line, but instead of over here, it's over here. That's still correct. So when you have no pairs aligned, you could just do it from anywhere, like this. Left, and place this left. Just down like this. And then we got one pair aligned. After we have this pair aligned, or what you used to have, you have to place it on the right like this, and then you do the moves again. So it's left up to here, this, and here. Now you continue doing that until every corner is aligned. So we have the blue, blue. These are matching, and green, green. Then you're on to the next step. So basically, with these inverted corners that are still the same color over here, you have to place the yellow on the bottom. Doesn't matter how much you have, you just have to do this same algorithm. So it goes the up, left, down, right, until this is solved. But you can't just turn to the next one. That'll mess up your whole cube. You have to turn these layers. Let's do it 2 times because that's in our solve that we had to do. We do it again. And there. We have solved it. So if you're doing that and it may look unsolved, then you just continue. Oh my gosh, continue turning your layers and doing the algorithm. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time. And now I'm going to be posting more often. So yeah, bye.